Hi guys, I would like to share with you an amazing new product called the hair measuring clip tape. It measures precisely your hair, and I'm excited to bring this product to your knowledge and understanding. It is fairly new on the market, and this is it right here. So this measuring device basically clips onto your hair, and there's a loop here that you can actually put your hair through it, and it goes down the measuring tape. So I would like to demonstrate this amazing product that will make your link checks very easy, very comfortable. I know some of y'all are used to using those carpenter tapes that you get from the hardware store, or you might use your seamstress tape. Well, needless to say, no worries again, because guess what? Now you can clip this on your hair and measure your hair with ease. So let me go ahead and demonstrate. All right, so I am going to take this apart. Just go ahead and unravel this. Okay, and this is actually 50 inches of tape. And I'm going to leave this on here because I don't need the rest of the tape, so you can kind of leave this kind of coiled up. And so far 17 inches is exposed on the tape. I know my hair is not 17 inches right now, so I'm going to just, leave that, leave this part clipped together here. All right, so this is easy. There's the loop, there's the clip. You just clip it like this, okay? You can see the increments, and then you clip it onto your hair. Okay? Now, there are two ways you can do this. You can either measure it alongside your hair, and this says 10 inches, or you can actually put your hair through the loop. And seeing that I have African threading and I have these bubbles in here, I'm just going to have to pull it through, as you can see, and I can measure down the tape as such. And I have two fingers on this tape. I'm not using both hands like most measuring tapes. You have to use both hands and measure. It's through the loop, and it's going down the tape, and you can measure. So this is it. So I am a little over 10 inches, and this is it. This is it. So, and then I go ahead and take this off, and then I just go ahead and pull it down the loop, and there you have it. So this is the new hair measuring device. If you want more information, go to linkcheckhair.com. You will see that on the screen, linkcheckhair.com. We're taking pre-orders right now, and the pre-orders are on sale. So please go to the website, check it out. You're getting a manufacturer's discount, because once the first 500 people order, after that the price is going to go up. So hopefully you will get this device and you enjoy it. Well, happy link check hair.